Shapes, arrows and lines, and icons are done just like everything else in Task 5, but I will show you how animations work here. Let's add this triangle just like we've practiced. Insert, Shape, select the triangle you want to use, and put it where you want on the page itself. Once you have your triangle on the page, you can manipulate it in the zoom feature that I talked about in Task 2. Click on the triangle and select Insert Animation. You'll have a menu pop up to the right where you can see the animations I've already added. Once your item is selected, you can click Add Animation and it will give you a series of options. Select the option that you want, and then you can preview it by showing what the animation actually does. Now here is where Prezi sets itself apart. You can try adding a zoom area, which I have outlined here so that you can see it, showing that there is more to the slide. When you present, it will focus on the new area and zoom in to see additional information, like so. Using the zoom feature is incredibly crucial during this part. Depending on how fancy you want to get, you can zoom in even further to seemingly hidden messages in your slide, like this. Finally, to finish without abruptly moving on, add another animation at the end to go back to the page that you originally started at before moving on to your next topic. Your full animation for this would look something like this.